that was working on the most slide. So this is my QR code with your member such as select CD through ID. Pasawat anong CD is through ID. Count ASD. Pasawat anong ASD is aircraft through details as flight count from row ID CD. Pasabot anong CD is row ID details from join aircraft crew details ACD on CD crew details ID. ACD crew details ID. Group by CD ID. Group by I order by flight count CAC limit by 1. So, mo muna ito na pangita is flight with the most active crew. As select ACD aircraft details ID from aircraft crew details ACD. Join crew flight count CPF. Pasabot na ng CPF is crew flight count on ACD crew details ID CFC crew ID. Passenger with the most active crew flight as select passenger ID from B book. So pasabot atong B, select passenger ID. Pasabot atong B is book. Then F flight. Pasabot ang F is flight. On B, flight ID, F flight ID, join flight with the most active crew, FAMC. Pasabot ano siya, short lang siya para matindi. On F, pasabot ang F is flight. Maintenance ID, AFS, aircraft details, select listing passenger ID, first name, last name from passenger E, join passenger the most active PMICF or passenger ID, PNCF, passenger ID. So, sa atong create of view para makita nato ni siya nga part, ato ra to i-copy-paste ang atong code. Tas, instead, butangan nato siya og create view para makita nato to. Ato yung i-copy-paste sa siya create view. So, mo din siya makita. Tas, pag abot sa create, dili sa store procedure, datong create view, instead of create view, i-convert nato siya into create procedure. Copy-paste ra yung code, tas dili na din